Hey guys, it's me, Alan. We're in United States of America. Okay, we're playing on Black Ops. Can't wait to Black Ops 2 come out. So badass.
Let's play a bit of team deathmatch.
Yeah.
Come on, let's do this. Let's smash these people. I'm gonna snipe. That's
Snipe it!
I got a L96A1 Tiger. We're gonna see these.
Oh my god, have you seen that thing on YouTube?
No.
So he kicked the ball and Red Eye.
Oh yeah.
So funny. And have you seen AJ Fraser on YouTube?
Oh yeah, that's hilarious.
It's so funny.
That was so hilarious.
You guys play Black Ops 2 on Havana. On
Havana.
Havana. Oh my god.
Won't hurry up, Jesus Christ. So, how's your day been?
It's so funny. It's been good. Yeah. Oh my god.
Alright, we're just messing about there.
Yeah, messing around.
Messing about there. Kind of a bit of Black Ops. My main man.
Oh my god,
my main man AJ Fraser. He's a beast at Black Ops. Bit of quick scoping going on here. As you all probably know, I'm crap at quick scoping.
I got five.
Screw this, I'm hard scoping. I don't feel the quick scope pain. And I'm a disgrace. I think I can't even hit him. Alright. What? I've had enough of these people. They're really annoying me now. Daniel's coming out after this baby. What's his boost? Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe to our little channel going on here.
If you do, you get free blowjob.
No, you don't, AJ. Come on, this is so slow. We also, well, this is our first video. We're going to start playing MW3, FIFA, Black Ops. Have a bit of fun with it.
Some gameplay.
Yeah, we are disgraceful. Well, I am disgraceful at COD.
I'm disgraceful at FIFA.
I smash him every day. He's a beast at COD. To be fair, I'm just really bad at COD.
So I kill him.
No! Come here. No! Oh, I'm doing so badly. AOJ's coming out in. Well, these are my normal classes: Daniel, L96A1, MP5K suppressed,
See that?
AUG, AK-47. Yeah, it's the same of everything. Oh yes, killed him. Yes, oh yes, I'm coming back with another death, and another kill. He's a turning into a beastie.
Oh my god.
Anybody knows KSI?
Oh, boost, yeah.
Yeah, he's a beast. KSI. But I keep on dying. 6 to 9 for me. And my friend AJ is doing 3 to 8, so he's doing worse than me. Thank God for that. Oh my God, this is where all the people hang out. So might as well just like stick around there. Thing is, I keep ending up miles away from anywhere.
Yeah, I haven't played for ages.
Yeah, neither have I. I always play FIFA. Because FIFA is a beast.
My Black Ops broke. I played level 2.
Well, what we're going to show you through our channel, we're going to give you gameplay of COD, FIFA, Homefront, if anybody likes Homefront,
Syntax, back on in.
Minecraft. I know there are a lot of Minecraft fans out there. They want to see some Minecraft. Let's get to the beast. Oh God, stand up! No! This is an absolute disgrace. 8 for 13. Horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. But for some reason, they're all sticking around here. Yes, there you go, there you go, there you go. Go on. Oh! Nearly had him.
Random.
Well, this video is nearly over. Not fully yet, but it's nearly over.
About a few minutes.
If you like this, please like, subscribe, leave us some comments. Please nice ones, because we've seen some comments that are quite disgraceful. No, I'm joking.
You want to add us on Xbox?
Please
One
do.
entity hits and heavy.
Team Legends, spelt wrong, with a D.
Yes!
Sorry. Yeah, I can't spell. I'm an absolute disgrace. Oh yeah, we can start having more subscribers and likers, leave a few comments, then yeah, it'll be quite good for us. Yeah, me and AJ, they keep us rolling. Pasting. Ah! That's the end of that. We lost 5,500 to 7,500. That was an absolute disgrace. Well, that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And
Bye!
see ya. Scoreboard.